Y'all asked and OMNISAT delivered. You can now use XVERSE on OMNISAT on testnet. This also means that you can use OMNISAT on mobile. So let's go through a test swap. Open the XVERSE app and make sure that you're on testnet. Click the internet icon, type in omnisat.io, go, hit enter, connect wallet, select XVERSE. You'll get this pop-up, connect. You should see the swap page. Right now there's only one option, so you don't need to select. Just type in the amount of Bitcoin. And just a reminder, this is testnet Bitcoin. Then click initiate swap. Yes, the rare sat kind of hurts, but this is testnet. They have absolutely no value, and testnet is a really important tool, so don't start degenning on testnet sats. Confirm. You'll get a notification that your transaction has broadcast. I hit close, and you're not going to want to refresh here or leave the app, but it'll say inscribing transfers, building the trade. There is one more step, which is the swap, and it goes so fast on testnet, I couldn't get a screenshot. This is your second transaction. Hit confirm. I once again closed out of it. You'll see submitting swap to mempool, and that's it. Your swap has been submitted. You can now return to OMNISAT and go play around adding liquidity to the pools. As always, let me know if you have any questions, and have fun using fake internet money and testing OMNISAT.